Now this is how you can turn off Siri on your AirPods Max. Let's get into it. So you should at first know that if you are interested in the Siri overall, well, you want to ensure that you turn it off for your phone completely, right? Because if you just, hold down on the digital crown button while having the AirPods Max over your ears, well, the Siri will be activated and there is no option to make sure it doesn't happen that way. What you can do, however, is to open up the settings of your phone and turn off the Siri in the actual Siri section right there. So you just turn off Talk to Siri and it will not really work anymore, right? So that's kind of how it works, and that's how you can disable it altogether. But below it, there are also some things, right? Like announce calls, right? And if you want to if you don't want to hear Siri in your headphones, then choose it to be never. Also, announce notifications. You probably also want to turn it off completely, or at least turn off the headphones mode, and therefore you will not hear any kind of notifications or Siri talking to you over the AirPods Max into your ears. Also, at the bottom, you have a list of specific apps, so you can choose it specifically for individual applications to announce notifications, which just means that Siri will read out loud from the notifications from that specific app, right? So if you want to turn it off, go app by app or turn them off completely for all of them. So that's it. Let me know below in the comments if there are more thoughts or questions you might have. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'm gonna catch you in the next tutorial.